Hello, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. Stick around. We are going to talk about, do you feel out of control with your weight? Hands up if you feel you have no ability to influence the way that your body is showing up in terms of your body weight. I want to give you some perspective that body weight is actually an outcome. You don't have a squeeze your body weight muscle. You don't have a way to snap your fingers and control how your body shows up. You do have the ability to influence how you feel in your body and how you perceive your body. So I want you to ask two questions. If you said, yes, I feel out of control with my body weight, I want you to ask two questions. First, what is it that you want to have with your body? Two, what is it that you want to feel in your body? Now, these questions you might have to sit with. And one of my favorite things to do with my clients is we actually ask the questions and then we just sit here. And you see what comes up and you kind of wrestle with the answers and you actually will figure out what is most important to you with your weight. What do you want to have and how do you want to feel? If these questions feel funny, write them down, journal them out. If you want a space to explore them, I would be that person. Contact me. If this feels valuable, subscribe and follow along and see if you can imagine wellness with me. Okay.